Get the ball. Go get the ball. Good girl. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Where's the ball? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that tummy. Look at that tummy. You are so cute. What's that? She can play by herself.
Oh, she's so cute. Just dig through the grass to find it.
Yeah, she found it. You are so adorable. Where's the ball?
Back in the grass.
She kind of loses track of it. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah.
See, I want to get a picture of her sitting in the grass.
Now eating time.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Grass.
Oh, okay.
Grass munching time. Oh, so good. Oh. Oh, that feels so good.